Hey, me droogies. I'm David Delbridge, and today I'm going to drag you kicking and screaming through my latest audio workstation build. In fact, let's jump right in there with the power supply, a Corsair HX1050, and followed by the motherboard, an Asus P9X79LE. The LE coming with a PCI slot, which I needed for a legacy audio card. Now here I am losing a fight with a heat sink, specifically a Cooler Master Hyper 212 EVO. Turns out these ship with a multiplicity of attachment options, and yours truly used the wrong one. Welcome to the wonderful world of DIY. Next up is the video card, an EVGA GeForce GTX 780 Ti. And then there were hard drives. First, a 5 terabyte long-term storage disk, and then a couple of 1 terabyte solid-state disks that'll be put into a RAID 1 configuration for fault tolerance. And hot diggity, here comes memory. A couple of Corsair Charlie Mike Zulu 16 Golf X-Ray 3 Mike 2 Alpha 1866 Charlie 9s, otherwise known as DDR3 1866 MHz PC3 15000. 8 gigabyte memory modules. And while all that was going on, I am cleaning up some cables here, attaching the motherboard headers to the chassis, and just generally making things look pretty. Now let's make some room for the monitor, keyboard, mouse, and we will jump into the BIOS. Hello, BIOS. Now I'm not doing anything too fancy here, no overclocking, but it is important to get that RAID configuration right, because if you get all your apps and your OS installed and you screwed it up, you're gonna have to go reformat. No bueno. That's pretty much it. If you find yourself wanting some dark musique industrielle, head yourself on over to daviddelbridge.com, where you can find some tracks made with this very workstation. Thanks for dropping by. Adios.